Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal, and this one is another little chunky one. It's a fabric cover, slightly grungy, a little bit vintagey. It's got butterflies in it as well. It measures 7 1/4 by 4, 1 1/4 inch spine, 3 signatures, and as you can see there, we've got bead dangles on here. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and for today only it will be free shipping, so go check that out. The links will be below in the description box. So we've got a simple closure, comes off, it's not attached in any way, it's just some coffee dyed cotton fabric. This is the lovely fabric, it's like a textile fabric, and then I just made a topper, and we've got some butterflies here, the word memories, the word journal, we've got hearts on a string here. We've got these bead dangles throughout the journal, and I've lost one. Yeah, I've lost one. One didn't go on properly. Let's put that back on. Just need to get my tool to do that. Right, that's kind of came off a little bit. Probably didn't, did I? Maybe I just didn't put it on properly. That went on. It goes on here. I normally use 2 of these plier things, but here we go. Right, hopefully that won't come off again. So yeah, the bead dangles. Right, so let's go inside. So we've got papers here from the old design shop, and that is the Grungy neutral kit. And we've got selection. There's so many different bits and bobs that I've used in here. There's a lot of ARTYmaze, there's the old design shop, there's some Tracie Fox, I don't know what else is in here actually, but there's no one particular kit, it's various. So this is a vintage music page, and it was quite fragile, so I glued 2 together and I stenciled on them as well, like coffee dyeing stenciling. This is just a sticky butterfly, stick on one. Some more kind of mixed media here. I've started doing a little bit of that, a little bit here as well. Little sticker there. We've got tags from the old design shop. That's Tracie Fox. I don't know where that's from. I think that's the old design shop. And I've used bits and bobs as well from Your Creative Studio. There is square paper, some dictionary paper here. That's some like stenciling, and what I did with that was I put down a piece of paper, I put my stencil down, I brushed the coffee water over the stencil, and the stencil had some distress ink on it as well, which was great. Then I put a piece of paper over the top, and then I brushed over that, and I got this effect. So I'm kind of liking that at the moment. We've got a flip here, and that is some vintage mathematical book tag here from ARTYmaze, and that is a book page pocket there, and this is ARTYmaze as well. I think we've got stenciling here, there's little pieces of ephemera there, tag, I think that's ARTYmaze. And I think some of this is actually from Your Creative Studio. We've got a flip up. Sorry about the noise. Got the window open. It's very humid here. It's rained for a good few days, and it's very warm, so very humid. Tracie Fox, ARTYmaze. So you can journal on the insides of all this as well behind there. This is some ephemera from Your Creative Studio. This is a book page which I coffee dyed. The bead dangle there. And some more tags there. I think that's Tracie Fox as well. This is the old design shop. And then this is just some ephemera pieces from Your Creative Studio boxes. Now I couldn't tell you which one that is now because I had loads of them. Some more of that stenciling again, some washi tape. I don't know where that paper's from. I think that might have been little, you know, when you get the little tiny pads of like 2 by 3, they're like ATC sized papers. It might have been that. Little ephemera piece there, butterfly. I kind of wanted that kind of this colour to flow through, and it did pretty much. Well, shades and tones of. But this is digital eco-dyed kit from ARTYmaze. I love that. Centre of the signature, somewhere to journal, and the hearts. Kept them kind of neutral as well. Some more ephemera and tags. Some lace trims, more of that stenciled paper. Another one of these. That's the book page. That's from England is a Garden. The old design shop. That's a freebie from ARTYmaze. We have a butterfly cluster there. Then here we've got a flip down. Some washi there. And in there we've got a selection of bits and pieces. Oh, that might have been, they might have been digitals actually. Some tags to write on. And then here we've just got a little top tuck there. That flips up, and then here we've got, oh, don't want to take that out, but there you go. And we've got that tag in there. So we're still on the first signature. So we have this from ARTYmaze, that's from the boho kit that she has, and then the tag there, kind of like those ladies. And here we've got some more ephemera pieces and a tag. Little sticker on here. Some more of that paper. Flip out here, somewhere to journal. Little bit of like mixed media stenciling with paints, I think. I don't know, I can't remember. Can't remember. I started this again like last week, and it was a busy weekend and didn't get a chance to get onto this. And my back is breaking. I don't know what I've done to my back, but I can't sit too long, can't stand too long, I can't lay. Lay is absolutely horrendous trying to lay down. So it's actually better standing, sitting, leaning over something. So I'm surprised I've got anything done. Some more of that. Should start maybe scanning some of these in, because I know some of the stencils I have I can actually do that with. So here we've got some more music paper, a little butterfly sticker on there, and you can see that's actually kind of the reverse of the stenciling. So that's like the outs, like if you were rubbing the distress ink on, it's that shape you would get, the white shape, but I put the paper on the top and that's how you get that look. Little Tim Holtz piece there, ticket and a label, and then in there we've got a postcard, and that was just there kind of holding that in place. And then here we've got a couple of tags. Don't want to put too much on the tops of the tags because it does add a lot of bulk to your journal, and you know, not everybody wants the bulkness, because you don't have to take everything out if you want to write on it. So that's the first signature. The middle signature is just plain papers that have been KoFi dyed. So it's just a collection there, there's a little bit of glue there. So that's for purely journaling. And then onto the third signature, we've got again a selection. That was some paper that was left over from me doing that stencil transfery thing, which was a lot of fun, and I'm going to be doing some in a minute as well. Might actually put the camera on doing that if I've got peace and quiet to do it, that is. So I'm waiting for some papers to dry, and I'm going to put some acrylic paint in with some water and just make it completely watery so that I can brush it on. So again, that was that kind of effect. We'll see if I actually get around to doing that or not. That's what my plans are. I may have to go and lie down in a minute. I wanted to do this video yesterday, but I couldn't move at all. I've got so much to do this week, and you know, I'm like, oh, I don't need this. I've been ill with flu, cold, allergies, whatever it was, kind of knocked me, and now this. butterflies, ephemera pieces, tags, flip out here. We've got a little piece of ephemera there as well. You know, and there's so much space for you to add your own bits and bobs too. That's the book page there, the bead dangle. Inside of there, that's just a sticker, I think. And then I popped a butterfly on there. That's the book page, and you can see the stenciling effect on there as well, which is, I think, is really cool. And here, tag there from Tracie Fox. Just a label and a butterfly. More little pieces. The eco-dyed paper, centre of the signature. Flip out here, postcard there. You can do something on here. Tag there. So these book page pockets, I've used 2 pages just to make sure that they're nice and thick. So I kind of glued them together. I've got a butterfly there. That book page again. This is from Line Dot Arrow. Another little piece here. So I don't know if you can hear the rain outside. It really doesn't know what it wants to do. We haven't had any decent weather for about 2 months. I think, you know, you get 1 or 2 days and we think, yay, summer's here, and then it's back to raining, dull, miserable. And that's one of them pockets there again. Postcard and a little tag. That's just an easy thing to do as well. Washi tape there. Little couple of tags here and there. Another tag there. I love them little tags. They're one of ARTYmaze's kits, and I think that might be on her coffee shop. I'm not sure what the kit's called now, but it's great. It's and there's so many different flowery things with it as well. There's lots of flower tags. We're nearly there. Little bead dangle there. Book page. What do? She flips out. A little bit of that stenciling there. We've got a tag in here and a tag in there. Trying to get this video done as well because everybody's out and it's just me, the cat and the 2 dogs in the house. So I know for a fact when my husband comes back, dogs are going to start barking. Just want to get this video done before, because the pup, well, she's not a pup, she's a year old, but she's still a pup. She's crazy, just absolutely bonkers. She barks at the kitchen cupboard door getting shut or the drawer getting opened. So there we go, there's that as well. Tag and a postcard, and we're nearly done. So like I said, this will be free shipping today. I don't know what today's date is. Is it the 9th? It could be the 9th. Oh, put that in upside down. Tag. And then that was just a very fragile this, but it's been coffee dyed. It's the music paper. The book is like over 100 years old, so just put a little piece in there. So there we go. That is the journal. There we go. So that's another little chunky journal. Oh man, these keep coming off. I might have to put them on with bulb pins instead of the them little round things, jump rings. Don't think they're going to work, so I'm going to replace them, I think, with the bulb pins. Will be much better. So there we go. Like I said, all the links will be below. Go and check them out. See, that one's come off as well now. Clearly the jump rings are rubbish for holding that on. Let's see if we can get a good... That's a nice little page there, isn't it? So yeah, any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Oh, and something else, if you're still here by the end of this, I am hopefully this week going to do the craft with me video on the trifold thing that I'd done the other week. I've had all these things lined up to do, so I wanted to get them done before I start doing like other stuff and making a bigger mess than I've already made. So yeah, that should be at some point this week, so watch out for that. And yeah, have a great day, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.